Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Let's learn. Let me show you how to unlock the user data different ways in S4 HANA 2002 or any S4 HANA version. I would like to tell you one thing. So what I wanted to say is, for example, uh, if, for example, you are accessing a sales order or else a certain configuration object, it is locked by another user or else a fellow colleague. How to unlock it? I have already explained in ECC by using SM12 actually. But we have two different ways basically. So one is the SM12 and one is SM04. SM12, okay, is object level. Okay, remember this one. SM12 is always object level and SM04 is user level. Okay, let's try to check what is this object level and user level. So before that, I will try to put some interesting note for you. So you don't have access for SM12 or SM04 in production system. Okay, no doubt you will not have that chance because if someone is accessing, suppose someone has filled like a sales order of 100 materials. On the way to he's going to fill for another 100 materials. Such a case, you cannot able to stop that user forcefully, and you cannot remove that lock, and you cannot delete what activity he's doing. This is useful generally for your quality or else quality and development also very less chances, but still some extent it is useful. Most of the times these two transactions belongs to basis. Let's try to understand with simple example about this one. Okay. For example, this is the practice system. This is S4 2022. Okay. Suppose if I am trying to, so this is locked by this user. Okay. For example, this user GK HANA 11. Okay. This user is locked actually. So what I can able to do it. Okay. If I go to SM04, let me go to the SM04. I will show you. Okay. Uh, so let me try to check. Where is that person? I think he might be come out of this. Desktop, 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 desktop. Okay. And this one is, so this user, for example, okay, the client is this one. This is the user actually. He blocked. Okay. So he can able to, you can able to find the application is SM34, but you don't find any object here. Okay. So if I would like to do this, okay. So I click this. So it is asking call view cluster maintenance. Okay. Suppose if I delete session, okay, make a selection. So just do this. So if I deleted this session, it is gone. Okay. You can see this one. Let me show you this. So this is already gone. Okay. So once you refresh, you will not get this one. Okay. But what is the object I am trying? For example, SPRO. Okay. This is the object I am trying. So let's come to the enterprise assignments. So this is the place where I'm just trying to access. Now it is open for me. This is one way. Okay. So for example, if I want to do it, DRT1 and this is DRP1. Okay. DRP1. So this is DRP2. So probably I can able to do the configuration like this. Let me try to check if any players, if it can, some places, 1 second. So it is not locked by someone. For example, I open this one. Okay. So somewhere, let me show you. I just try to lock myself. This one, SPRO. Okay. Sometimes I think you guys already aware of this thing. There is nothing much to explain, but still, I would like to show you what is the what is this one practically. Okay. So go to the sales and distribution. See, this is locked by myself. Okay. So for example, this is my me. So how to do that? Let's go to S4. Okay. Just for our understanding, I'm just showing you this one. So with my user, I just locked this. You can see this locking object. You can able to see this. So what is the table and okay, what is the lock argument? Okay, this is what you can able to see, whereas you cannot able to see in SM04. So this is additional knowledge. Don't worry if you don't know, no one is going to ask all these questions in interview. Certain times, if someone is fooled, then only he will ask about SM12 and all. Okay, for functional consultant, don't worry about that. This is a basic question. So if you look at this, what is the basic difference? If you put it star, you will get all users. Okay, now what are the log entries? How many log entries we have? So total number of logs, maximum it is going to display the 1000. This is the option I think I'm not able to find in ECC. What is the observation we have? Like, these are the options what we have. Existing options only jumbled. Client is in the below and username. That is the only difference when you compare with ECC and S4 HANA. Okay. Anyhow, just if you want any log entry, you can able to delete here. Okay. For example, SM12. Let me show you. So it is logged by me. I already shown you. See, this is the table and this is the entries. Okay. So probably this one, let me put it star so that I'll get all log entries. Total 32 entries are there. So different objects accessible. So if you see this Mara table, there you cannot able to find in SM04. Okay. So Marcy table. So object wise, you can able to find. You can able to find the sub table or locking, what is the internal lock, it is there at a database level, that also you can able to see this one, but whereas you don't have that access there. Suppose if I wanted to, okay, once I searched, okay, so if I wanted to, for example, I'm just taking, I would like to take this one only. Okay, if I want to do all locking entries, I can able to delete it. Okay, anyhow, so you don't do this, you cannot able to do this in a production system. That's what I would like to explain you. Okay, so what is the basic difference also have explained you. Okay, when you compare with SM12, this additional thing. So, and server administration, I'm not sure, I didn't remember. This is the one thing is coming, and these options got jumbled, nothing else specific when you compare with ECC. Okay, so I think you understand SM12 and SM04. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.